To begin, you're going to insert your hook into the corner of the body where you will start attaching the paw. Attach pink yarn and then start with 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3 chains. Then you're going to yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through a loop, yarn over and go through the first 2 loops, yarn over, go through the next 2 loops. You should have 2 loops on your hook now, and we're going to repeat. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, and now with the 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 3, and then you're going to insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through for a slip stitch. Now what you're going to do is pull so that you have sort of a yarn tail. You're going to snip it off. Here's the front of the paw, here's the underside of the paw, and I'm going to snip off the yarn end and weave in the ends. This is a very quick and no-sew way to attach the paws. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and happy crocheting. Bye now!